Benchmark estimating software has been developed with the clear objective of increasing the consistency, speed, and accuracy of estimating. Both Allocate and Auto Allocate are extremely powerful functions to quickly populate, review, and edit your estimate. They each use different methods, allowing you to choose the option that's right for you. We'll demonstrate both Allocate and Auto Allocate to show you how benchmark estimating software does the build-up and data entry of the whole project, allowing you to focus on the details such as quantities and rates. When allocating resources from the item library, the Allocate feature will search the item library and find the most similar items. These items are ordered by the closest match. You can either scroll down to find the item you want to use, or alternatively refine the search. After selecting a suitable item and checking the quantity is correct, the software will automatically allocate all plant, labor, material, and subcontract resources from your library item into your project item. You can see this item now has a cost and a rate. By drilling down into the item, you can see the resource buildup and adjust it to suit your specific needs for that project. You can see that this function also copies across variables and production rates from the library item. As an alternative, benchmark estimating software also allows you to use items set up in other projects. You can use Allocate from either the item library or from a project as the source. The Allocate from a project function also gives you the option to copy the submission rates for your items into your current project. Yes, Allocate is a very powerful feature. You can build a brand new item by allocating an existing item and then just revise resources appropriately. But if you think allocating a single item is powerful, now imagine that you can use this process to price an entire schedule of items, consistently, accurately, and most importantly with great speed using Auto Allocate. After entering a schedule of items, Auto Allocate will find the closest matching items by comparing the descriptions of the items in your project to the items in your library. In cases of a 100% match, Auto Allocate will automatically price the item for you and move on to the next item. If there is no 100% match, the estimator will be offered a choice of matching items to select the most suitable. The result is, when you select Auto Allocate, benchmark estimating software will automatically price every item in the project schedule where matching items exist in your library. Benchmark estimating software gives you full flexibility and control in defining the exact matching criteria with a unique suite of options to define and customize this allocation process. You can allocate by description, code and description, or you can even create your own customized allocation code. The software has the added flexibility of allowing you to set the tolerance percentage for accurate matches. For example, a percentage of 90 or 95% is useful for high-level early-stage estimates and to get around small deviations. You can even set a different matching criteria on an estimator-by-estimator basis, depending on your requirements. This automated process is particularly useful for ongoing client work when you receive multiple schedule of items with similar item descriptions. You can even have a project based around the naming conventions of one particular client and auto-allocate from that project to price work from that client. This is ideal when bidding a maintenance contract where you want to use the same items from a project you have priced before for that same client. When you have won the maintenance contract, you can auto-allocate from the winning bid project, and your submission price and costs can be carried forward to the current project. This unique suite of options to allocate is exclusive to benchmark estimating software that no other estimating software package provides, and users are realizing the vast benefits in having full control over how to allocate resources to your client's items. The speed of Allocate and Auto Allocate saves you time, but also provides the assurance of consistency. Regardless of who is preparing the estimate, using these Allocate and Auto Allocate features ensures a consistent starting point for items that are set up in your library. You can be confident that you are using consistent formatting and data at the resource level, while at the item level your client can have any item description they like. You can clearly see the power of the Allocate and Auto Allocate functions and their flexibility to handle different clients who specify their tenders in different ways, quickly, easily, and consistently. If you'd like to find out more about other powerful features of benchmark estimating software, watch our videos and get in touch for a discussion on how these features can improve your estimating.